Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to convert Excel data into an infographics. As you can see in this Excel sheet, here I have a data of home appliance sales and profit for the year 2025. Beside the data, you can see an infographics. This infographics is showing the sales and profitability analysis from this data. As you can see here, the washing machine lead in profitability. Highest profit is given by the washing machine. Refrigerators provide high value revenue. Below this you can see dishwasher maintain mid-tier performance. Electric kettle drives maximum volume. It means the maximum quantity sold. Vacuum cleaners show consistent demand. And here you can see the margin versus volume detail for different products. This infographics I have created by using an AI tool. Let me show you how I did this. First of all, open any internet browser. In the address bar, put sheets.google.com. Then press enter. This opens Google Sheets, where click on this blank spreadsheet. Now go to your Excel sheet, then select this data. Then copy this. Go to Google Sheets and here right click and paste the data. The Excel data is copied to Google Sheets. In this section you can put a new name for the spreadsheet. Let me put here home appliance sales. Now open here a new tab. Then in the address bar put here notebooklm.google.com. This is the AI tool that I'm going to use to generate the infographics. To use this Google Sheets and Google Notebook LM, you should be logged in into your Google ID. Like you see here, I have logged in into my account. Now click on Create New. Now scroll down and select this Drive option. Here in the recent section, you will see this spreadsheet that you have just created, that is the home appliance sales. Click on this. Then click on Insert. Here in the source section of the notebook, you can see the spreadsheet is added. Here in the chart section, you can see the summary or the note from this spreadsheet. Now to create an infographics from this spreadsheet, you can go to the Studio section. Then click on this infographic option. Let me click on this infographics. And here you can see generating infographics. Wait until the process is finished. The process is now completed and here you can see 2025 appliance sales infographics. Click on this to open. Here you can see the infographics is created by visualizing the key performance insights. You can download this infographics by clicking on this three dot, then click on download. Here you can see the infographics is downloaded in a PNG format. Let me open this. This is the infographics. Now you can copy this infographics and place it in Microsoft Excel. For this, open Microsoft Excel, click on Insert tab, Illustration, Picture, Place over Cell, then click on this device. Click on the Downloads folder, double click on this infographics image, and here you can see the infographics is added here. You can decrease the size of the infographics and place it in the location you want. So this is how you can convert your Excel data into powerful infographics. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe the channel and also turn on notifications to get new video updates. See you again in another tutorial.